Hello Kisho, holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. This is the urgent warning news for all Kisho holders, my friends. Keep watching this video complete, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. So you know what, my friends, yesterday the whole cryptocurrencies market is completely fast down. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, and Shiba Inu, a lot of cryptocurrencies prices completely negative, my friends. The people are so worrying about these cryptocurrencies, my friends. Yesterday, my friends, yesterday the cryptocurrencies crash. But anyways, in this video we are going to discuss the latest update of the Kishu, so keep watch this video complete. You can see that the currently latest price of the Kishu is 0.000001 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Kishu. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the price change, so now the last 1 hour change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, 1 week changes occur in the Kishu is completely negative, completely fast down occur in the Kishu, my friends. Let's see the price chart. Oh my goodness, you can see the price of Kishu is very badly jumps, very badly fast down. But now the latest situation, you can see they start pumping in the last hour. And you know what, my friends, now after 10th July, my friends, after 10th July, I'm sure, I believe that they have to take a jump, my friends, after 10th July, my friends. So just wait for the 10th July, my friends. Everything will be okay. You have to just wait for 1 day, my friends. Tomorrow the Kisho, Shiba, Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, these all coin will like wake up, my friends. So just hold, my friends, just hold, don't decide to sell and make a profit with the Kisho, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Kisho? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.